The E1 LTE wireless cell cam from Covert. Functional and dependable, easy to set up and loaded with features. Ultra-fast trigger speeds, 10 burst mode options, and wireless transmission across AT&T and Verizon networks. With motion and heat-activated maximum silence image capture, Covert continues to lead the way in wireless cam technology. Access and view images anytime over the Covert mobile app. 24/7, 365. When he's there, you will know it.
Covert WCA or WCV trail camera. To open the camera, use the latch on the side. And to install your batteries, pull it out. You put your AA's there. The camera can function with 4 AA batteries. It has improved life with 8 AA batteries, but we recommend using all 12 AA batteries. Before turning your camera on, you must install an SD card. You can use up to a 32 gigabyte size card. To activate your cell camera with Verizon or AT&T, visit the Covert website for instructions. To turn the camera on, turn the switch on the bottom left once to setup. And when you first turn the camera on, it's going to search for the network. Once your camera has found service, you will see the searching network symbol go away, and you'll see the bars at the very top. On your screen, the little photo icon at the top means it's in photo or video mode. To the right, there will be a T or a P for time-lapse mode or photo mode. There's your signal. 8M means how many megapixels the camera's photos will be taken in. This is your memory card space, 0 photos out of how many the card can hold. At the bottom, you'll see your date and your time. If you go into the menu, this is where you can change all the camera settings using the control panel at the bottom. If you want to test the strength of your signal, you can go out of the menu to your main screen, hit the right to take a photo. You go back into the menu, you go all the way right until you get to the network signal, go all the way down until you get to test mode, hit OK. This will send a test photo to your phone to make sure that your signal is good enough for the area. With the testing successful, you should see the photo pop up on your Covert app on your Android or Apple phone. Back to the menu, your first selection is camera mode. This is where you can choose between taking photos, videos, or photo and video. Hit OK to select the mode you want. In this case, we're using photos. Next is photo size. For photo size, you have the options of 3, 5, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32 megapixels. Select the size you want and hit OK. For video size, you have the option of WVGA, which is a low resolution, 720p, and your highest at 1080p. To adjust the video length, hit OK, and you have the option of 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and 60 seconds. All these different lengths will obviously change how much space you have on your memory card. Photo burst. Photo burst means photo burst. Your camera can take a 1 through 10 shot burst every time the PIR is triggered to take a photo. However, the camera will only send the first photo. You have the option of a 1 photo burst, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Press OK to choose the saver settings, and press the menu to go back to the interface, saving your settings. If you do not press the menu, your setting will return to the previous setting. Trigger mode settings. In this option, you have the option of the PIR trigger, time-lapse, or both. If you choose the PIR, the camera will be triggered based on the interval you select. We recommend using a 30-second trigger interval. For the PIR sensitivity, we recommend low if it's 10 degrees or lower, normal for 10 to 80 degrees, or high if it's above 80 degrees. The PIR sensitivity is triggered by heat and motion. For time-lapse mode, camera can take pictures at defined intervals. If you go to time-lapse interval, this is where you choose your interval settings. If you want the camera to take a picture every 3 minutes, you select 3, and the following goes for the rest. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30, an hour, 2 hours, and 6 hours. To hit the right arrow to go to the next menu, this is where you see work time 1 and work time 2. If you want to select certain times for your camera to operate, this is where you would change that setting. If you go into the first one and hit OK, you'll see the option for on or off. If you want it on, simply hit the up arrow, and you can go right to choose your time setting. All the times in the work time setting are military time. Once you select the work time you want, hit OK, and it'll go back in. To select another work time, go down to work time 2, hit OK, turn that to on, and select the time you want there. Hit OK to save, and menu to go back. Hit the right arrow to go to the next menu settings. To format the SD card and completely clear the card, hit down, hit OK. It'll ask you if all data will be deleted, and hit OK. To set the clock is set automatically from the wireless network. You can choose different date display formats at the bottom. Please make a note, military time is the only available option for this. Hit OK to save, and go back to the next menu. If you hit default, this will give you a reset to your factory settings, and all of your customized settings will be lost. Overwrite, save new photos over the old photos on your SD card if it becomes full. Each time a new photo is taken, the oldest photo on the SD card will be overwritten. If the SD card becomes full and this feature is turned off, your camera will no longer take photos. To turn this on, hit OK, and select on. Password set. Select on and enter a 4-digit code to protect the camera from unauthorized use. Be sure to note the password and store the code in a safe place. It will not be possible to reset the code on your own. Select off if you do not wish to use the password. If you forget your password, please contact Covert Scouting Cameras at support@dlccovert.com or call 877-462-1799 for an RA number. To rename your camera, select on and change the camera name using the web portal or the Covert app. Software version indicates the software version for manufacturer's use and troubleshooting only. Hit the right arrow to go to the next menu. Go down, hit send mode. This is where you can choose between off. This is where you can choose between off or instant. Instant means photos will send direct. This is where you can choose between photos not being sent or having them being sent instantly. Hit OK to select. Go down to max photo number. This is where you can choose a maximum number of photos that this camera will be sent to the app. Select off if you do not want a maximum number. Hit OK for scheduled event. Turning this on means that your camera will send a photo every day at that time that you choose. Hit OK to save. Upload settings, hit OK. This will upload all your customized settings to your Covert app on your phone or the web portal. To download settings, hit OK, and it will download the customized settings that you had last saved on your web portal or your Covert app. Anytime your camera needs a firmware update, scroll down to FW Update, press OK. This will download the latest firmware version in case there's been an update. Please note, the updating will take 5 to 10 minutes. It will show progress percentage. After updating, the camera will reboot. Your camera is equipped with an auxiliary power jack. The jack necessary to make the connection is a standard 4mm jack. Covert offers an auxiliary cable to extend your battery life with an external 6 or 12 volt battery. To use 12 volts, you must use the Covert auxiliary battery. We also sell a Covert solar panel to directly hook up your camera for optimal battery usage. Once you're all done customizing your settings, hit menu out and turn your switch at the bottom to on, and your camera is ready to use.